Hello, my name is Andy Martin, Senior Product Design Engineer for the Stove Fan Company. What we do is like to introduce you to the service kit for stove fans. Now this is not just for the Stove Fan Company's products, it also fits 99% of most stove fans. So the basic thing with stove fans is you have two motor designs. This has been a 370 motor and this one being a 500 motor. So the two basically together, you can see this is short and fat, this is long and thin. So when you're deciding basically as to which motor yours is, then you can see the short and fat or the long and thin. It comes with a toolkit, a basic toolkit to strip it down. With this also it comes with the TEG. Now the TEG basically is the thermal generator which actually produces electricity. One side is cold, the other side is hot. If you turn it around, it means it's going to go the wrong way around. So always, when you actually come to put this and you put it together, then always have the red one to this side and the black one to that side. It might be different to what you have on your own machine, but basically whenever you service it, make sure this is to the right, to the left-hand side, and that one is to your right. Same as what this is here. So we'll show you where it actually goes. So it goes into this section here. We'll just take the fan blade off and it fits into there. So that's a TG there. This needs to be assembled by the paste. So you have the paste that's supplied. When you supply the paste, basically the paste goes on on the surface here. It also goes onto there again. It also needs to go onto this surface here as well. Now, other part that comes with the service kit is mainly the part that actually goes wrong with the stove fans themselves, and this is a bimetal strip. Now this bimetal strip basically fastens onto the bottom of the stove fan like that. The writing, if you put it on the wrong way around, it won't lift the stove fan and protect the stove fan, so you need to turn it around the other way so that you have a silver part facing downwards. This part here, if this doesn't lift the stove fan off the ground, basically what happens is it allows too much heat to get through here. Too much heat gets to this TEG, too much heat gets to the TEG, it starts to melt the connections inside of here. If it doesn't melt the connections into here, more heat gets up and it gets into the motor itself. When the heat gets into the motor itself, basically then you'll have a noise, you'll get a noise from it sort of thing, and it means that all the grease is dissipated from the inside of here itself. We always recommend changing both together, these two, and also changing the bimetal strip, because one causes another product to go and then you're just going round in circles. So if you don't want to buy a stove fan, this is the Stove Fan Company's service kit, and you can buy these from most reputable dealers. Thank you very much indeed.